Perhaps on a little bit more positive news, another article that caught my eye was coming out of the University of Pennsylvania and some new antibiotic compounds that they are developing. So this really caught my eye because if you keep up with statistics and kind of like World Health statistics, you may be aware that we are entering what people are calling the post antibiotic era. A lot of antibiotics are no longer effective on diseases as much as they have been in the past because of overprescriptions, overuse, things along those lines. So to me, that's one of those, meta items that we should all be concerned with, right? To lose access to antibiotics can be a very serious thing on many different levels and really affecting all of humanity. That wouldn't be just a regional problem. So the University of Pennsylvania is using, well, they're claiming that it's AI, but it's also machine learning, and they acknowledge that it's machine learning. But they are using machine learning to help find new compounds and to greatly reduce the research time required to find new antibiotics, which is great, right? Because that's usually the most expensive side of development of these drugs, right? So if they can compact that, then it can make the drugs much more lucrative to produce, which a lot of pharmaceutical companies don't do because they're not lucrative. So I'm going to give you the rundown of the notes that I took. I encourage you as a scientist to do your own research because I'm just sharing the notes that I took. Maybe I'm wrong. But what they're doing is that they're saying that the microbes out there contain antibacterial peptides. If you can collect microbes from all over the world and examine the peptides, you can see the antibiotic properties that those microbes have. In other words, how are the microbes being resistant to all of these negative things that are out there, right? So machine learning is being used to both isolate and identify the peptides. So as I said, it's not purely AI. I think they're using AI to catch some eyes.